Yes, it's a Friday. We almost the New York session. This is the best time of the day. I normally wait for entries. Basically, from one between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. South African time. Yeah, this is predominantly the kill zones of the New York session. So, yeah, today I only have a few setups that I'm gonna take part in, and one of them is BTC USD. Yeah, BTC USD, my broker allows me to trade them throughout the weekend. So, like we've been saying, I've been waiting for this short confirmation. As you could see on the monthly, it has been so crazy on monthly. So price reacted off of this, still actually reacting off of this monthly area of supply. Yeah, let me just remove this so that you could see. Yeah, you can see the reaction off of this monthly area of supply. So this is basically my area of sales of shorts, and likely, if at all actually I get into the short entry, I'll be likely to target all these areas of support. So these are areas of liquidity. I'll be targeting towards the 43,497. So it's gonna be a long move if price agrees to perform accordingly. Understand? So this is what I'm looking at, and I'm taking my entries today. Today is the Friday 21st. It's New York session. So I'll be since I don't have any context area. Fine, the context area is on monthly, but I'll be breaking it from weekly, and then daily, then to 1 hour. So going to weekly, you could say it's been crazy. Weekly, we still have an area of the weekly order block, of which we saw liquidity purge off of the weekly order block, of which people who made early entries, like I hope maybe if their stop losses were so near, they're already taken out. So let's go to daily. Okay, this is daily. Let me take you to daily. Daily is the same. We got a liquidity purge off of the daily area of supply, but yeah, it's pretty cool because I've been waiting for this, because this equal highs of which I noticed that price might strip off liquidity of them, then we would see. So since now I see my daily area of supply is being respected, it's likely to get respected, because I can see a massive rejection. And according to candlestick science or candlestick logic, this single candlestick on the daily, the way it rejected, what does it imply? When you go on lower time frame, like 1 hour, it implies that price is shifting order flow, so we've been having this massive bullish daily candlestick, but now it's rejecting off of this zone, which means now on lower time frame the order flow is shifting from bearish to bullish. So meaning from bullish to bearish, sorry for that. Order flow is shifting from bullish to bearish, which means bullish fair value gaps are changing to bearish fair value gap. Let's go on 1 hour. That's the time frame that I'm gonna use for my entries, and I'm hoping to enter within my IFVG, the area of inverted fair value gap. This is my IFVG. This is my inverted fair value gap. This is my entry, of which on my account, this is just a study account that I use here, because that's why I just let it be like that. I'm not hiding anything. I have my other account on Xnet. So basically I've entered now, because you can see on 1 hour price gave us an inverted fair value gap. This was the last bullish fair value gap on 1 hour, which tend to be now invalidated. You understand? After invalidation, it becomes inverted fair value gap. So most of the time I use inverted fair value gap to frame entries in most cases, if actually I just want to be a little bit aggressive. So all the way down, what am I hoping to do? I'm hoping to swing price from, where is my entry, around 76,800 and 833. I'm hoping to swing it, if price allows me, towards which area? Let me see. It's gonna be a massive long time drop, 48,935. Yes. So definitely, so my stop loss is gonna be slightly, my stop loss is just here, exactly slightly above this 1 hour swing high. So I'm already in. So let me go back to daily so that you can see what I've been trying to explain. Daily, since I've been saying that on BTC, all this move that we've been having, it has been a complex pullback. Because why it has been a pullback? Because literally we've been bearish and we still bearish, guys. Understand? So unless maybe we had to take out this area of what? Of monthly high. You see, because this was the swing. Yeah, the monthly swing high, and this was the monthly swing low. So this was a pullback that we had. This pullback is still respecting the resistance of this monthly range, of which we haven't taken out this monthly range. Yeah, if at all we had taken out this monthly range, we were gonna be changing the bias. Taking out this monthly range was gonna force us to change the bias to what? To bullish. Understand? But now we're still respecting this monthly resistance, which means this monthly intermediate term high is still what? Holding. So we are yet to start attacking this monthly intermediate low. So now we're aiming now to be taking out this sell side liquidity resting on the monthly intermediate term low. So let me go back to 1 hour. 1 hour, like I've seen, I've just taken entries on 1 hour and my stop loss is intact. So I'm hoping to hold shorts. For people who just need further confirmation, it's better for you to wait for a 1 hour fair value gap, or to wait for a shift of market structure upon displacement here on this previous low. Then you look for any PDRN premium to set your entries. So this is what I had on BTC. I'll be holding BTC. Maybe soon I'll be showing you my trades, my entries. Have a beautiful weekend.